Alright. Thank you, boss. Oh, ingat, ingat. Demo lang, demo.
Itong manual, kaya natin siyang patakbuhin without throttle. Okay, even wala tayong throttle. As opposed to an automatic, pagka nag-ride tayo ng automatic, para umandar yun, kailangan mo bigyan ng throttle. Okay, so that by itself makes the manual safer.
Safer yan.
Okay. So ang magkocontrol ng bike, yung tinatawag natin na friction zone. And I'll demonstrate right now. Papatakbuhin ko yung motor, hindi ako gamit. Of course, dito lang ako, since hindi naman ako naka-riding gears. So I'm gonna go to first gear. Under yung motor, and wala akong throttle. Under siya mag-isa. Okay?
Yun.
Second gear.
Oh, yan. Oh, galing, oh.
Yung kamay ko andito para makita nyo na hindi ako nagkagas.
Oo.
Kasi siguro i-practice mo na wala
Pero
yung
dapat ang kamay natin
Kasi napapaganon ako.
parehas na as a handlebar. So, ganyan yung
Yun.
control ng bike na gusto natin makita.
Yung pala yun.
Second gear ka. Wala tayong clutch. Wala
Yan yata ginagamit sa HPG.
tayong preno. Hindi rin ako nagpe-preno.
Oh, wala rin preno yan, oh.
Ginagamit ko lang yung body ko.
Galing yan, ah.
Okay. To maneuver the motorcycle. Pero syempre, doon natin gagawin yan. Right? Pinakita ko lang kasi...
Yun. Gandang demo yan, ah.
Yan. Oh.
So, ito yung friction zone. Friction zone.
Left hand slowly. Feel the friction zone. Stick to it. Get some momentum. Let the bike move forward. When your bike is moving forward, look straight ahead. Relax your body. No throttle. Go to second gear. Pinaasa ko kasi yung idling. Yun. Alright.
Friction zone. Friction zone.
Gear 1
Gear 1, baba.
Tapos yung 2, taas,
Taas,
3,
taas.
4, 5, 4, taas yan. Tapos magbabawas ka, baba. Neutral, midway. Midway na...
Nakikita naman yung neutral, di ba?
Oh, ito.
Oo.
Alam yan, sir.
Yung big bike talaga.